It's Rick from Real Estate Flip Mastery. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the people that you work with, and even before we go out and find the actual home or the flip that we're going to do, we have to do a contractor selection. We've got to get our tradespeople in order. We have to assemble our team. What is our team? When I do a flip, I have a gentleman who goes in, and boy, he's great. He can do just about anything, a little bit of everything or a lot of everything. Isn't really too much on a house that he can't do. I rely on him a lot. He can do electrics and plumbing and to a minor aspect. But if I need a plumber, I have a plumber I can call, licensed. If I need an electrician or electricity work done, I have an electrician that I can call. If I need aluminum work done for the outside, gutters, that type of thing, I have a guy I can call. So one of the first things, even before we go out and find the perfect flip for us, we need to assemble our team. So when we're going to start the race, the gun will go, and so will we, and we will win the race. So one of the very first things that we have to do is assemble our team. That takes a little bit of time, a little bit of work. And this is also a work in progress, because maybe the contractor guy that you find maybe talks a good game. Proof is in the pudding, so you might have to try him out once. If he works, great, keep him, and let's keep him busy. If he doesn't, we move on to the next person. Sometimes it's a little bit of trial and error. The point of this one is start accumulating your team even before we start looking and buying homes. That's it for today. Thanks a lot. We'll talk soon.